Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this building in place mass in Revit. Let's get started. So let's open a new architecture template. Go to south elevation. We're going to add levels first. So click level 2 and then click array. We're going to change this number to 19. And then we're going to click this level. Pull up to 4 meters or 4,000 millimeters. And then we'll have up to level 20. Press escape, and if you notice, we don't have the floor plan yet. We need to go to view and then go to plan view, floor plan. Level 3 is already clicked. Hold shift and then click level 20. Everything will be highlighted and then press OK. So now all the floor levels will be here. Let's go back to level 1 and then click architecture here and then click reference plane. So we're just going to add reference plane in order for us to see or to know where the center point is. So I'm going to add a cross first, and then we're going to add more reference plane here. We're going to put 10,000 millimeters on both sides. We're going to add more reference plane. Click this one and maintain 10,000. So our square is 20 by 20. So now let's go to level 1, which we are, and then go to massing and site. Click in place mass. Press OK. And click rectangle. We're going to add rectangle from this point to this point. Press escape. Click this one. So we're clicking all of the square, all sides. Click copy to clipboard, and we're gonna paste it. Click align to selected levels, and we're gonna paste it to level 4. Click paste again, align, level 8, paste 12, and then 16, and then lastly 20. So go to level 4 first, select all lines, and then click rotate. So we're gonna rotate this every 15. Go to level 8, select this, click rotate, 30. Go to level 12, click the square, and then rotate, 45. Go to level 16, click the square, and then rotate 60, and then lastly level 20. Click the square, click rotate, type in 75. So go to 3D view, highlight everything, and then let's create the form. So we have our form created. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click this line and then tab. Once this side is highlighted, click it again and then click divide surface. We're gonna change the pattern to rectangle and we'll put 16 on U and V grid. Just repeat that on all the sides. So press escape, this side as well, divide, change this to rectangle, and then 16, 16. And then 16, and then lastly this side. Click divide, change the pattern, and then UN V grid. So everything is same. What happened here? Oh, we just need to put 16 as well. So everything looks nice and connected with the V and U grid. So next thing is to open a new family and then click on metric curtain panel pattern base. Click this grid, and then good thing we already have rectangle. Click point element. Let's add it here. Press escape. Click the point element first, and then we could start creating the frame. I'm just gonna use a rectangle. Something like this. And then press escape again. Click this chain of wall lines, and then hold Control and the model, and then create form out of that. Let's click family types, new parameter, change this to materials. So type of parameter, materials. This will be the frame. And then one more is for the glass. Change this to materials and glass. So once we highlight this, we can click this associate family parameter and choose the frame. We're gonna create the glass as well. So to do that, let's change to bar frame and then just click this chain of wall or lines and then click create form, solid form, choose this, and we could change it from here or with this positive offset. You know what? Let's click this on our front, and then I want it to be like this. Let's associate this materials to glass and press OK. And then let's see it on shaded again or hidden lines. So we got our glass there. We can load it to the project now. And go back to 3D. Select this or all the sides. And then we could change it to the family that we create. Press escape and let's look at it at hidden or shaded view. So it looks good. The next thing we're gonna do is just hit finish. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click this, the whole model, click mask floor, select level 1 first, and then hold shift, select level 20, and then check, and then press OK. So we created our mask floor, but in order for us to make this a real floor, you will need to go to massing inside again, and then click floor. You can highlight everything, and then create floor. So from massing floor to actual floor, it's been created. So now, the only thing we need to do is go to massing inside, click roof by face, and then select this face, and then create roof. Click one of the frame here, just pressing tab and click that. Edit type. Let's change this material. This one to be aluminum. And this will be glass. So it will look like this. Press escape, and then to remove the mask, we could just click this and it will look like this now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.